Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we've got something truly fun and convenient to talk about. If you're tired of spending hours at the salon for that flawless manicure, you might just want to stick around for this one. I'm diving into the Glam Fantasy Ultimate Illusion Nails Kit, the easy, at-home solution to getting beautiful, professional-looking nails without the hassle. No pricey salon visits, no UV light needed, and the best part? It stays perfect for up to a week. Let's break down what you get with this kit. First off, you're getting a total of 28 nails. That's enough to try out a few different looks. The standout feature here is the special effects design, which includes diamond glitter accents that give you an instant wow factor. The nails are pre-cured with a gel finish, which means there's no need for a UV light, making this a true, hassle-free experience. And the nails can be applied in two ways, with glue or adhesive tabs, depending on your preference for wear time and ease of removal. In terms of what's in the box, you get 28 nails, 24 adhesive tabs, a mini pink gel nail file, and the pink gel nail glue. A solid setup for anyone looking to create a stunning set of nails without all the fuss. So let's talk about how it actually holds up in real-world use. Now, I'm not new to press-on and glue-on nails, but I've got to say, the Glam Fantasy nails are seriously impressive. Application? It was a breeze. I tried both the glue-on method and the adhesive tabs, and both were super easy to apply. If you're in a rush, the adhesive tabs are a great option because they're quick, and I found they lasted a couple of days without any lifting. The glue, on the other hand, gave me a more secure fit, and I was able to rock the nails for almost a full week without any issues. Just make sure you're using the right glue for the best results. If you've got the Kiss PowerFlex nail glue, sold separately, that's definitely your best bet for maximum hold. The design? Gorgeous. These nails gave me that instant salon-quality look without the trip to the salon, and the diamond glitter effect definitely makes them stand out. They're perfect for a night out or any event where you want your nails to really pop. And I love how flexible they are. They fit comfortably on my nails, no awkward sizing, and no mess. But it's not all perfect. The nails themselves are sturdy, but I did notice that the adhesive tabs don't hold up quite as well over time as the glue does, especially if you're washing your hands frequently or using your nails for more strenuous tasks. If you need long-lasting wear, I'd recommend opting for the glue application. Let's talk value for money. At first glance, this kit may seem like a small investment compared to regular salon visits, but it's totally worth it for a few reasons. First, the convenience of being able to do your nails at home in minutes is a huge win. Second, the overall look is very high-end, and you're getting a lot for your money, especially when you consider how much it costs for a gel mani at a salon. Now, if you're looking for alternatives, I'd say there are plenty of other press-on and glue-on nail options out there, but Kiss really stands out for the ease of application and the high-quality look. If you're after a cheaper alternative, you might find other brands offering similar designs, but in my experience, Kiss nails tend to last a bit longer and give a more polished finish. The build quality of these nails is solid, and the packaging is compact, which is great for travel or storage. The removal process is just as easy. No complicated soaking or worrying about damaging your natural nails. I didn't need to reach out to Kiss customer support, but their reputation for ease of use and quality products speaks for itself. If you do run into any issues though, they are known for being responsive and helpful. To sum it up, the Glam Fantasy Ultimate Illusion Nails Kit is an excellent option for anyone who loves having beautiful nails, but doesn't have the time or budget for regular salon visits. The design is stunning, the application is easy, and it's a product that delivers on its promises. Just keep in mind that if you want it to last as long as possible, go with the glue application rather than the adhesive tabs. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks so much for watching today, and if you've tried the Glam Fantasy nails, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.